Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everything is okay and you are doing your study well at your home. Welcome back in English class. In previous video, we have read the third part of the story and knew that the lobsters and crabs pinched Hari a lot. Their pinching was so hard that the little boy screamed in pain. Let's continue the last part of the story to know the ending. After the pinching by lobsters and crabs, हरी screamed in pain. जब हरी ने पूल की तरफ देखा तो वो सरप्राइज हो गया. उसने देखा कि ढेर सारे सैंडी कलर के श्रिम्प्स, प्रॉन्स, ढेर सारे क्रैब्स और बड़े बड़े लॉबस्टर पूल से बाहर आ रहे थे और सबने जोर जोर से हरी को पिंच करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. उन सभी की पिंचिंग ने हरी को ब्लैक ब्लू कर दिया. All the creatures said in surprise, "Don't you like it?" सारी क्रीचर्स ने हरी से कहा कि उन्हें देखकर हरी को तो खुश होना चाहिए क्योंकि हरी एक चैंपियन पिंचर था. वो भी दूसरों को बहुत पिंच और प्रिक करता था. They said, "Come and join them in pinching and have fun." हरी अपने घुटनों के बल पर गिर पड़ा और जोर जोर से रोने लगा और उसका लंच पूल में लुढ़क गया. जैसे ही लंच पूल में गिरा, सारे लॉबस्टर और क्रैब्स और अदर क्रीचर्स उस पर टूट पड़े और सब मजे से फीस्ट को एंजॉय करने लगे. हरी saw that all the creatures were busy in eating lunch and forgotten him for some time. He turned and ran to save his life. हरी अपनी जान बचाने के लिए भागा और टीयर्स उसकी आंखों से बहे जा रहे थे. Hari realized that they all pinched him a lot because he also pinched and hurted the other children. अब हरी को समझ में आ गया था कि कैसे उसकी पिंचिंग अदर चिल्ड्रन को हर्ट करती थी. Hari hated those lobsters and crabs very much. He felt that why the other children hated him. At last, he promised himself that he will not pinch or prick other children anymore. Students, have you heard the proverb tit for tat? आपने जरूर सुना होगा जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी या जैसे को तैसा. हरी ने स्टार्टिंग में सारे चिल्ड्रन को पिंच और प्रिक करके सबको बहुत परेशान किया. ठीक उसी तरह से सारे क्रैब्स, लॉबस्टर्स और अदर क्रीचर्स ने हरी को खूब पिंच किया. Now tell me, if you have such type of behavior, will anybody like you? No. If you trouble other people, they never like you. It is very important to have good behavior with others. You have also seen that some of the children or people hurt animals. They beat animals with sticks. Small and naughty children throw stones on street dogs. This is called non-human behavior. Animals cannot speak. That does not mean we people hurt them. When the people hurt animals, animals also hurt people. I think कि अब आप मेरी बातों को समझ गए होंगे. And you should follow good behavior and good habits. Now, let's go to solve some question and answers. The first question is, which kind of creatures came to meet Hari? Answer is, the sandy colored shrimps, prawns, crabs and other large lobsters came to meet Hari. Second question is, what did the creatures do with Hari? Answer is, the creatures pricked Hari a lot till he was soon black and blue with their pinching. Next question is, what happened with lunch? Answer is, the lunch rolled into the pool and when the lobsters and crabs saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. Question number 4 is, how did Hari save his life? Answer is, when Hari saw that all the creatures were busy in eating lunch and forgotten him for some time, he turned and ran to save his life. Fifth question is, what did Hari realize at the end? Answer is, When the creatures pinched Hari, he felt pain and hated the crabs and lobsters. He realized his mistake that the other children hated him too because of his pinching. Next and the last question is, what promise did Hari make to himself in the end? Answer is, Hari promised not to pinch or prick anyone anymore. I hope you have understood the question and answers and chapter as well. हमारा बिहेवियर अच्छा होने से हमें लोगों का प्यार और अटेंशन मिलता है। इसीलिए मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हमेशा अच्छा बिहेवियर करना चाहिए और लोगों के साथ मैनर से रहना चाहिए। आइए अब आज का होमवर्क देखते हैं। First question is, sea is the treasure house of many precious things. Name a few things found in the sea which are precious and tell their uses also. Second question is, do you like children like Hari? Why? Why not? Third question is, how did Hari change? Students, I hope you liked today's video and understood it well. Keep on watching and enjoying videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.